What is Go? Go is a programming language created by Google. It is simple, fast, and built for modern software. If you want to build web servers, microservices, or command line tools, Go is one of the best choices in 2026. Go was designed in 2009 by Robert Griesemer, Rob Pike, and Ken Thompson at Google. They wanted a language that compiles fast, runs fast, and is easy to learn. Go has only 25 keywords. Here are the key features of Go. It has simple syntax with only 25 keywords. It compiles to a single binary in seconds. It has built-in concurrency with goroutines, and it is garbage collected. Let me show you what Go code looks like. This is a complete Go program. Package main is the entry point. Import FMT loads the printing package. The main function runs when you start the program. Here is a more interesting example. This function takes a name and returns a greeting. Notice the short variable declaration with :=. Go functions can also return multiple values. Go is everywhere in modern infrastructure. Docker, Kubernetes, and Terraform are all written in Go. These tools run most of the internet today. Companies like Uber, Stripe, and Cloudflare use Go for their APIs. 62% of Go developers build command line tools. The GitHub CLI, Hugo, and many DevOps tools are built with Go. Go's small binary size makes it perfect for microservices and containers. Some of the biggest companies in the world use Go. Google uses it for internal services and Kubernetes. Uber builds high-performance microservices with it. Dropbox migrated critical systems from Python to Go for better performance. Go developers earn an average of $146,000 per year. That puts Go among the highest-paid programming languages globally. The number of professional Go developers has doubled in the last 5 years. Go is simple to learn. It has 25 keywords compared to over 90 in C++ or 50 in Java. You can learn the entire language in a few weeks. If a feature makes the language more complex, the Go team does not add it. Go is a compiled language that runs much faster than Python or JavaScript. It is not as fast as C or Rust, but it is fast enough for almost everything, and it is much easier to write than both. Goroutines make it easy to run thousands of tasks at the same time. Each goroutine uses about 2 kilobytes of memory. You can run millions of goroutines on a single machine. We will cover goroutines in detail later. When you build a Go program, you get one binary file. No dependencies, no runtime, no virtual machine. Just copy the file to a server and run it. A Go application in Docker can be under 15 megabytes. Let us compare Go and Rust. Go is easier to learn and compiles faster. Rust gives you maximum performance without a garbage collector. Choose Go for web servers and APIs. Choose Rust for systems programming. Go versus Python. Go is 10 to 40 times faster and deploys as a single binary. Python is better for data science and machine learning. Choose Go when performance matters for servers and tools. Go versus Java. Go has simpler syntax with 25 keywords. Java needs the JVM and has slower startup. Go produces smaller deployments. Java has a bigger ecosystem with enterprise frameworks like Spring. This is the first video in the Go from Zero to Production series. We will cover variables, functions, structs, interfaces, goroutines, channels, HTTP servers, REST APIs, databases, and testing. In the next video, you will install Go on your computer. You will set up VS Code for Go development, and you will write and run your first Go program from scratch. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials.